today's video is really not really a day in our life, but like a day in our morning, for lack of a better term. I'm showing you guys what we do typically in the morning time. It's a weekday, so Malika is going to school, Malia is going to day home, Nats is going to work. If you guys don't know, Nats is working full-time now, and I am also going to work. Now I'm standing in my backyard because we're about to start a new project. Renovating our backyard. If you guys are new here, or if you guys remember, we bought our house in November of 2023, and we haven't done anything really of substantial notice to the property, right? One of the things that we're gonna do is we're gonna get some railings put up on the back deck right here, because Malia is very adventurous and we don't want her to trip over. And one of the things that we noticed the other day is that the post right here, the wind, because it gets so windy, the post right here is kind of like rocking. So just need everything to just be painted over, railings put up, fencing put up back properly. We're gonna paint our treat, as it's termed, the deck floor. We're gonna put up pretty much everything. Gonna get some trees planted. Gonna get the back fence right there. You guys probably have seen me hammering nails a couple times to keep up the fence. We're gonna get that fixed once and for all. So you guys probably wondering, why did it take us so long to get this project started? Now, we're always very transparent with you guys, and we don't pretend and make things look like they are not. We were house poor when we bought this house. If you guys don't know what it means to be house poor, is when you use every single last dollar you had to your name in order to buy a house. So you invest largely into a property, but then you don't have enough money to do any renovation, to do any major things to the house. So you have to kind of like build up back some savings, build up back some kitty in order to get things going, right? So we were house poor for probably a year because we invested a whole lot in getting this property, right? Now, do I recommend anybody to buy a house with their last? It's really up to you and what's important to you. For us, owning a house was very important for us because it symbolized a huge achievement for us, right? Everybody's different, so you guys can let me know if owning a house is important to you. If it's not, then that's also that's also okay as well, right? But for us at the time, owning a house was very important, so we were house poor. So we bought the house. The house was in livable condition, good condition, no major renovation. There are a few knickknacks that we wanted to get done, but we decided that, you know what, we could wait. There wasn't a pressing need to get some of those stuff done. So because of that, we kind of just hold off and delay. But not anymore. This is the year that we invest in some renovations. We want to get our basement done as well. If you're watching this and you're from Grand Prairie and you feel like you can give us a good deal and completing a basement, please comment right down below and let us know. That's something that's on our list as well. But for now, we're just starting with our backyard. Yeah, for now we're just starting with our backyard. Get it all fenced up and get railings put up and board treated and painted and all those fun stuff. And of course, guys, you know that I will be taking you guys on the full journey, so don't worry about it. You guys will see everything from work being done to what the cost came out to be and all of those fun stuff. So of course, if you guys are new here and haven't already subscribed, this is where you take a minute to just hit that subscribe button. Smash a like on the video as well, and let me know, are you willing to be house poor or not? It's also been a while since I've updated you guys on my fitness journey or my health journey, right? So it's still going pretty consistent. I'm in the gym 4 or 5 times a week. Hopefully you guys are noticing the weight loss. I am down 60 pounds. It's not a quick fix, right? I'm taking my time, doing things the right way, doing things as always should be done. Sometimes we rush and we lose weight, and then you don't do it the right way, and then you end up putting on back every single thing. So slow and steady win the race, right? So I've been doing that. I've also been doing a lot of intermediate fasting. And guys, let me tell you guys this. Fasting is the best kept secret. If you guys haven't already heard or haven't already explored the world of fasting, fasting is the best kept secret. Not just from a perspective of losing weight. Losing weight is a bonus, right? But that's not the purpose of fasting. Fasting has so many hidden benefits, right? So many hidden benefits. You can literally change your life by just fasting. Autophagy, I think the word is called autophagy, if I'm getting it wrong. But it's really when your cells repair each other. So the bad cells that causes cancer and a host of different diseases such as Alzheimer's and different neurological and physical ailments are caused by bad cells. So when you put your body into a state of apathy, if I feel like I'm butchering that word, but when you go into a state where your body needs to survive, pretty much, the body attack the bad cells, get rid of it, and replenish those bad cells with good cells because the body is trying to survive. So you reverse pretty much any condition that you have, diabetes, hypertension, even cancer, by just not eating, right? And that's something that I learned over the past couple of weeks, and it's been working wonders, not just for me, but as I've done more and more research, I realized that this is really the best kept secret. So if you guys want to start your own health journey as well, just don't necessarily focus on what you eat only, focus on how you eat as well. Holistic health, that's what we're here to do. Do your own research as well, because I'm no doctor, so I'm not here to give you guys doctor advice or tell you guys what to do. I'm just here to share what's been working for me, and also based on research that I have done, the hidden benefits of fasting. But if it works for you, it doesn't. If it works for you, great. But also make sure that you're doing something that not only benefit your physical health, but make sure you're doing something that benefits your mental health, your financial health, your relationship with God, your creator, whoever you deem that to be. Holistically, it's very, very important to make sure that you're taking care of you, because if you are not okay, nobody else is okay around you. Anyways, that's enough lecture. Let's go get this day started. Are you okay?
Yeah.
What's that you have?
That's my toy.
That's your toy?
Yeah.
Pick up the cushions off the ground, please.
Malika.
It was Malika?
Yeah.
But I'm asking you to pick it up. Please. Malika, come and help your sister pick up the cushions. Go and help your sister pick up the cushions.
I pick up the cushion by myself.
You pick up the cushions by yourself?
Yeah.
You're so strong. You're so strong. Malika, what happened? Get up. You're going to school.
Yeah. Big girls don't cry.
No, big girls don't cry. That's right. Big girls don't cry. And Malia is a big girl?
Yeah.
Okay, Malika is a big girl?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm gonna get something bigger. I'm gonna get a toy for Mika.
You're gonna get a toy for Malika?
Yeah.
Okay, get a toy for Malika.
I have get this back out. And
Malika. So, this is our catch-all.
I'm gonna get a doll. Break this out as you did. I can break this out as you did.
You're gonna take those to Auntie Jean?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can take these as you did. I got to get this to Sia. I got to get this to Zuri. And then I got to get this to Maddie.
Okay, you're so kind. Gonna give it to Celia, Zuri, and Maddie. Okay, let's go in the car.
The big toys.
Yeah, you got your bucket of toys.
Yeah, I got my bucket of toys. I got my bucket of toys.
Up, Mama. You have your fruits?
Yeah, and my toy.
Okay,
I have my sister's toy.
gotcha.
My toy.
And just like that, guys, we are out. So I want to say a huge thank you to all the persons who have been supporting our coloring book. Your support means the world. Thank you guys so much for the love and just for helping us make a create a better space for people with neurodivergency. It doesn't have to just be autism, it doesn't have to just be children, because children turn into adults, so you have a lot of adults who have neurodivergency. So thank you guys for helping us create a safer world and a more aware world of neurodivergency, right? If you guys want to support us, the link is always underneath the video description, and also usually the pinned comment, right? So taking nuts to work right now first and foremost, and then pick up Zuri, because Zuri goes to the same day home as Malia, and then take Malika to school, then drop them off the day home, and then to work myself. So come along guys, it's now 10 minutes to 8 in the morning, and as you guys can probably tell, it's looking like it's gonna be a good day weather-wise. No complaints so far, but you know what? Don't like the weather? Give it a minute. Famous saying.
This way and this way and this way. This way and this way.
Yes, guys, so I just take Malika to school, just dropped her off at school. Guys, I want to send a huge shout out to all the persons who are caring for a special needs child in this world. It's a thankless job, but you know what? We all embrace it and we just do it one day at a time. Oftentimes people don't see the challenges that we are going through, and of course I'm caring for Malika as well, so I am in that category as parents who care for special needs children as well, child as well. People don't see your day to day. People don't understand that your life is vastly different than their life. They don't understand. Alright, they don't understand that you can't do the same things that they can do, and you know, especially when it comes down to like trusting other people with your children or child, so forth, so on. They don't see the mental stress that you go under day to day. But I'm just here to encourage you guys that listen, it's all for a purpose, it's all for a reason, right? And even though we don't always know why we are tasked with these responsibilities, it's for a reason, it's for a purpose, and it's gonna make you, if not already, a better human being. Because caring for Malika has taught me patience, has taught me how to love unconditionally, has taught me how to be more understanding, not just to her but to other people as well, because you never know what somebody else is going through and not every disability is visible. And just it has given me a purpose in life, you know, where we just want to make a difference for that space, right? And I always find myself wondering, like, if I wasn't tasked with the responsibility of caring for Malika, would I have had the same passion, understanding, and purpose of making a difference in this community? I don't know. That's the honest answer. I don't know. I'd like to think I would have, but unless you're living it, you don't really understand it. So again, I tip my hat to everybody who's caring for a special needs child in whatever capacity. Especially if you're a father. Fathers are usually given a stereotype of not being there for their children. But if you're a father and you decide to stick around, and not only stick around financially, but also emotionally, mentally, physically, spiritually, all of the alleys. Listen, huge respect. Huge respect to you, right? Now I'm taking these two today home and then I head to work. So let's go, guys, let's go.
I got their toy for Leah.
Need my help?
Yeah, I wanted to have my toys.
Okay. Hold this for Malia, please, Rory.
Okay. Daddy. Ooh, it's so cold. Yeah, it's so cold. That's right.
Did you press the doorbell, sir?
Okay. Daddy, I'm gonna go back to my car and come back.
No. Come on. Daddy's late for work.
La la la. Going to stay. Good morning.
Have a good day. Bye.
Me too.
And then there was one. Now I'm by myself, guys, going to work myself. Time is now 8:34 a.m. And you know what, guys, this is what my morning looked like 5 days out of the week. It's a chance for us to kind of just chat in the morning. Like, I love hearing the conversations between Zuri and Malia, and Malika is in the middle as well, doing her own thing. It gives me great fulfillment to be able to just appreciate the simple things in life, and just to notice how blessed I am, how blessed and fortunate I am to have a family that I care for, and hopefully cares for me too, and just to be able to provide a life for them that I didn't have when I was growing up. It's an amazing feeling, and it's something that I treasure, picking up in the evenings, dropping off in the mornings. And it doesn't matter how busy I get or how much responsibilities I end up taking on in terms of even business or employment or just life in general. This is something that is a priority for me and something that I really and truly value and enjoy doing. What is your morning routine? Well, for us, breakfast is not a part of our morning routine because, as I said, we've been leveraging intermediate fasting and all the benefits that comes with that. So we don't really eat breakfast. I do have my first meal of the day right here though, which is a banana, some grapes and strawberries that I'm gonna eat around midday. I have my water bottle and I have some electrolytes. That's gonna take me through the day until dinner time actually. And it sounds rough, but it's actually very easy once I get into it. And I mean, one of my favorite quotes is what? You guys probably can say it with me by now. Short-term pain, long-term gain. There's so much benefits to it, right? So yeah, just do what we can do to make ourselves as healthy as possible so we can be here for as long as possible. There are so many things that's outside of our control in this world. Your health is largely in your control. There are things that's gonna happen probably outside your control, but you can try to be the best version of yourself, right? Read a book, learn something new, surround yourself with the right people. These are all things that you can do to improve your holistic health as well. It's not just working out and eating right and so forth so on, but the people who you have around you and everything, the amount of rest you get, so forth so on. So that's my closing message for you guys. As usual, is to make sure that you're surrounding yourself with people who are on the same mission as you, people who are on the same goal driven, and it's not competing with you, because that's also very important. A lot of times we surround ourselves with competitors, persons who want you win but just don't want you to do better than them, persons who are not happy for you genuinely because they feel like it should have been them. Get rid of the competitors, surround yourself with collaborators, persons who are gonna collaborate with you in order to win, because you know what, there's strength in numbers. If both persons, or if all the persons in your life come together and say, yo, listen, we're gonna come together, put some money together, this person have good credit, I don't have such good credit but I have some savings, we're gonna come together and we're gonna invest in a property and we're gonna start a real estate business. And then everybody come together and put in a little, and then their little become much. So instead of you trying to save $20,000, what's going on over here? Why would you start a fire right there, Ja? That's crazy. Anyway, I got distracted. Yeah, surround yourself with collaborators. That's the point. And sometimes separation equals elevation. So if you find yourself around the wrong people, just separate yourself. Just take yourself out of the circle. You understand? Just take yourself outside. Do some healing. Focus on yourself. Separation sometimes equal elevation. So take yourself out of whatever situation and just focus on yourself for a while. Because if you don't focus on yourself, who's gonna do it? Nobody's coming to save you. And nobody now come save you. Like, you're not gonna win the lottery. I always say that you're not gonna miraculously get up tomorrow and lose the weight that you've been trying to lose. You're not gonna get the house that you've been dreaming about for 10 years now. You're not gonna be able to get the car that you want 10 years now. You're not gonna be able to just get miraculously the business that you want. Nobody's gonna give it to you. You're gonna have to just go out there and do it yourself, right? The best investment you can make is investment in your future self. Make a decision today that your future self will thank you for. Whatever it is, no matter how small it is. And I'll end on that note. Thank you guys so much for coming along. A day in our morning, a morning in our life. Yeah, I think that's the title. A morning in our life. Thank you guys so much.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down.